Hi everyone, I'm Nathan, and this is how to fix stabilizer rattle without desoldering. For this, you're going to need dielectric grease, a thin paintbrush, a toothpick, and some tweezers. Alright, for step 1, you're going to have a little bit of dielectric grease, a little blob of it on the end of the toothpick. Then you're going to want to take the tweezers, lift the little knob up in the stabilizer so you can see the silver wiring, and just spread the dielectric grease around where the silver wire meets with the plastic. And then you're going to want to repeat this process for every other stabilizer. Then for step 2, you're going to want to do the same thing you did with the toothpick, but with the thin paintbrush this time. And then repeat this process on every other stabilizer too. Now for step 3, you're going to want to flip the keyboard around, grab the toothpick, put a little blob of dielectric grease on the end, lift the little knob up in the stabilizer with the tweezers, and spread around the dielectric grease inside where the silver wire meets the plastic. Also repeat this process on every other stabilizer. Now here's a quick before and after with the spacebar. And now here's a quick before and after with the typing test. Overall, I think this upgrade is really worth it. If you have $7 and you could buy dielectric grease, go for it. The link to it is in the description and in the comments, so go and check it out. Anyway, like and subscribe if you found this useful. Goodbye.